the Atlantic Water Gardens Basalt Fountain we just installed. It says the Manhattan Beach backyard with synthetic turf. It just got a putting green, actually, we just installed. And then here's the Atlantic Water Gardens Basalt Fountain. Now what's nice about this is that tonight, when we wanted to, the Basalt Fountain we installed a light. You can see it right there, even though it's daytime, light just went on. So tonight it's gonna look like something out of Disneyland. Look really amazing too. And then the putting green, brand new. We typically don't put synthetic turf in, but in this case, very, very shady here most of the day. So we did a putting green and added the rocks. We didn't irrigate the existing Cape honeysuckle because it's actually somewhat of a native, very drought tolerant. And so, but this is, and I'll back up a little bit so you can see the house. This is the back of the house here. And so that's a little piece of paradise. It's one way you can use the Basalt Fountain by Atlantic Water Gardens / OASE USA. Take care.